Hey, how you all doing? It's been a minute since I put a video out, but I thought I'd give you an update on what's going on. Right, so I got my drive shafts back from that place over in Rotherham. He did a really good job of these. So he ended up putting a new yoke on the end of this one, or just redoing the UJ. Put a new slip yoke on this end. All new UJs, all nicely balanced. And you're supposed to line up these white pieces when he's balanced it out. So yeah, got some new hardware for the carrier bearing. Oh, that's original. That's the original carrier bearing. He just said, yeah, a brand new one's not going to have. It's going to have more lash in it than that. And yeah, he's checked it all out, and I'm really pleased with it. So this piece got shortened for the V8 in the TH400. So anyway, while Scarlett's playing up here and drawing nicely, I'm going to go ahead and install this underneath. You'll be right, won't you, sweetheart? Well, that's the first one in. Nicely, I'm happy I got the right length.
Is that my nut?
A little bit of rust to deal with up there, evidently. Need to get that. All installed. Well, there has been a lot going on. I did go and collect my wood though. What do you think of this for a tight fit? I literally had to open the glove box to fit that last piece in. What do you think of that? X. Yep, got my wood planks. They're looking really good. There's some lovely grain in that. So this wider piece is for the headboard, and the smaller pieces are for the bed. So I'm sorry there hasn't been a lot going on with the channel lately. I put out like 5 videos in the space of a week and then nothing. I haven't ordered the piece for the back yet because I'm just finalising the design on that. But as soon as it's done, I'll give you an update. Really pleased with how that drive shaft's gone in. The lengths are perfect. The workmanship is excellent. Just got a matter of pressing on. I'm not going to be able to get back to it for a couple of weeks, so hopefully by the end of the weekend I'll have the design for that sent off to the laser cutter, and that can be installed. What have you got? You got workshop snacks?
Yep, workshop.
The prop shafts.
Top shaft.
They make the bangy bangs go into turny turns.
What's a turny turn?
When the wheels go round and round.
What's a bangy bang?
That's when the engine starts.